Kits crows.
Bye bye. It's windy today. I hear birds in the distance. Let's look up. There's Hagrid. That good boy. I don't see my birds, but maybe I'll leave a little treat here just so they aren't sad. There. Not a massive amount, but they'll like it. I see Remington behind them. I'll wait for the car. He's got a stick. Well, they both got the stick. Funny boys. You having fun? Oh, you're drooling. Where's no, that's a piece of grass. Bye, boys. I'm going on my walk. Bye bye. I see a couple of crows, they just arrived. At least I saw one fly up. I'll be there in a second. Hey there, little friends. I'm bringing you some treats. How you doing? Hi. Well, there's a starling. He's coming to join too. Okay, I got treats for you. Oh, this little more. There, there's a whole bunch of peanuts in that. Oh, yeah. Get it while you can, because they're coming. Alright. Well, there you go. There you are. I'll see you later. We've got a few starlings hanging out by the chickens. If they stick around, they'll get a treat. Well, how about I leave you one here? Since you're just waiting and watching. Okay. There. There you go. Go on. They sure are cute. Yay! Yeah! Oh boy, everyone's happy now. Hey, chickens! I keep seeing little things swooping by. Okay, I'm gonna continue on my walk. Oh, that was a bunch of starlings. I didn't even see them. Oh, hi. Where'd you come from? Oh, they got a bunch all lined up. Let's see some babies among them too. Okay. Need a good sized one because we got a bunch watching. Okay, little guys, have fun. They're so cute. Oh, the crow went for it first. Well, hopefully, yep, now you got your chance. Oh yeah, party time. See you later. Are you the one with the foot problem? I'm just wondering because you came awfully close. I imagine you're having some difficulties. Well, here's breakfast. Oh, sweetie. Well, there's some easy food for you. Oh, there's a little starling. Well, you enjoy. I'll see you later. Hello. He just flew right over my head. You enjoying your food? Did you bring some over to eat? You just came over to visit? Well, I'm going on my walk. Nice seeing you. I'm going to give you guys a couple of treats because I think they came to me. They're making a bunch of noise. And they're looking at me. So we'll leave them a little treat. So that's a mama and a baby. Or at least a parent and a baby. Yeah. I knew you were hungry. Feed that baby. The parent was asking for food, so was the baby. Especially the baby. Stuff it. Give it some more. Yeah, that's gonna be one well-fed baby. Okay, bye-bye. They'll be back. So noisy. Is that one of my girlfriends? I don't know. Maybe. I'll go over and leave him a treat. We'll see. So we're pretty near Safeway. It could be one of the Safeway crows that found me. Hey, I'm getting your treats. I just had to unzip it. There. A treat for you. I'll see you later. I'm certain it saw it. Probably just waiting for me to leave, and that's okay. Ooh. It's a big bird. That's real big. Guessing either a hawk or an osprey. Ooh. Oh, there it is. Are the local crows going to gang up on it? So there's one right there. Has a chance. I lost the hawk. That was cool. Hey, I'm right outside the grocery outlet. I was refilling my bags. This is my refill bag for treats. I guess I was about to go in the store. I'll leave you a little treat here. There. I gotta put this away. Get in my bag. And I'll zip that up later because I just want to go so you can have your treat. I didn't have my camera on because I didn't think anyone would find me up the northern end of town. Well, we'll see if he eats it when I get out. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, he was looking for treats. Cool. Well, I hope he gets it all. I'm gonna go shopping now. Hey, there he is. I'm coming. They often catch me right out of Safeway. Morning.
Morning.
Okay. There he is. Didn't want to feed him over by the people anyway, so I'm glad you're here. Okay. There you go. Yay. Alright. Well, enjoy your treat. He's following. There's a whole starling family hanging out. I'll give them treats if they stick around. Ooh. Hey, little one. Hi. Oh, don't go. Hang on. Oh, they're coming over. Hi, guys. I'll leave a good amount. You have fun with that. Hey. Oh, boy. Well, that's fun. Yay. See Nova. She's barking at the other dog walking by me. Oh, obviously I'm not going to play on camera, but there's some people walking their dog. Hi, Nova. Worried about the other dog, aren't you? Bye-bye. Here's the rest of the family. Oh, oh, don't go. Hang on. Stick around. That one's a baby. Okay. So we definitely got some watchers. There we go. Well, I think they'll get it. Well, they're up there too. Well, when they're ready, they'll get it. Yeah. There we go. Everyone's showing up. Well, there's the magpies. Oh, there's a crow. No cars coming. Oh, there's another one. Okay, guys. Oh, we got two crows here. Hi. Good morning. Yeah, magpie. Little stars. Oh, those are babies. Hey, baby. Okay, we leave the big treat now because this is the last one of the day. So it also helps so they don't follow. Hi, I know. Give me a second. I'm leaving the big treat. Okay. Yeah, all the birds. Yum yum. Okay. Well, we got a few others just wandering around. Oh, here's some more. Woo. This guy's like, he just went right next to me. Okay, have fun. That should distract them for a while. Oh, so many. Woo.